Now see that tooth there? It feels like it's used a slim taper file instead of an extra slim taper file.
Right.
A slim taper file, that edge, that corner is rounder. And you see in the saw, the gullet, that's called the gullet down there, it should be more of a V, not a round.
So is this a super slim?
That's extra slim.
Right.
You see what I mean? Yeah, you keep that angle, you don't let this happen, or that happen. But once you get that angle, okay, away you go. Now see where the point is?
Yep.
Well, you filed it to that point.
What do you mean by file it to that?
So it's just
I see what you mean.
still within one bit with the file.
So straight to the point you mean?
Yeah, but you must not let this happen.
Yeah.
Okay? Now you see that one there, that doesn't need doing because it hasn't touched.
Yeah.
That one hasn't touched, that one has.
Like with the jointing.
If they haven't been touched with the flat file, see that one hasn't been touched? So that's a hollow tooth, that's a high tooth.
Yep.
See that one now, it's got a big...
Put it on the top.
Okay, you follow what I mean? Now see that one there, that's a fat tooth, that's a skinny tooth. That's a cow and that's a calf.
Yep.
See that one's really worse?
Yeah.
That's because the file's been done, that's been happening.
Right.
Okay? Now, away you go down to there. And I'll just check
Where
the
did you finish?
shiny thing.
Oh, and the V, the shiny bit.
And there's your next one there.
How far? That does it? No, it's the same thickness.
Use the full length.
Where's it up to?
You're not. You're up to there. You only need to do...
Don't file on the back stroke.
Okay.
Because otherwise you can get an uneven wear on, and then you'll get cows
You
and
can just
calves.
pull it back. You don't put pressure on your back stroke. Can you feel the file?
Yeah. Does that one look alright?
No. See, you've got to give us your file. See, you've let the file roll up back this way. See, that's a long skinny tooth. It'll take a lot of getting out. That'll take a lot of getting out. You can put your weight on the file going that way, but don't let this happen or that happen. So you hold it firmly. See how I've got hold of it? I'm not like this.
Yeah.
I'm like that. I'm holding it like that. Follow it? Okay, now make sure you keep that angle the same, that angle the same, and that angle the same. It takes a lot of practice.
Yeah. Who taught you how to do it?
My first boss.
Speak up.
My first boss. Len Tolhurst. Had one eye. He used to pull his eye out. He had a little buffing wheel on the lathe. He used to pull his eye out and polish the eye
Fair enough.
and put it back in. And he used to go to the pictures and he'd say to the lady, keep your eye on my seat, will you? But he was a good saw sharpener for one-eyed man.
How long did it take you to learn?
65 years. A long, long time. Practice and practice. Practice makes perfect. Don't expect to be perfect. That's why it's an old saw. It's an old D8 Diston, which is made in America. It's almost new that way, but it's never been used. But it's past its use by date because it's too rusty. It's pitted. If the saw is pitted, you can't get a point on the tooth.
Why is that?
Because there's a pit mark. It's like
an indentation.
Yeah. So what happens, instead of a nice clean point like that showing, you got a round on it or a scallop out of it because it's pitted. But this is a good practice saw.
Yeah.
I don't expect you to do it perfectly. In 10 years' time, when you brought it down to here, we'll see how you go. But keep on going, you'll get the knack of it. Which you have to. It's part of joinery. None of this send them down to a saw doctor.
Or buying throwaway saws? Okay.
Make it look like you're a professional.
How do I make it look like I'm a professional?
Not what you're doing.
What do you mean?
Those are not too bad.
Try not to pull back again.
Well, on the backstroke,
Just don't put pressure.
don't but you put the pressure on the way in. Okay?
Alright. Do you want me to go from there then?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Or do them again?
No, go through first and you
You just stop there.